All right, how we doing? So I'm just taking a break. Actually, I'm over here at the Circle K. It's basically the east side of the airport. So I'm gonna turn the camera so we can see. This is behind me. Signs leading to Terminal 3. Okay. I don't know if you can see the tower back there. Okay. It's just sticking right up where the sign is behind me. Let me see. Going to Terminal 3. This is Russell and Eastern. And behind me is like a Lowe's, is Walmart, a few fast food restaurants, a couple of gas stations. Like I say, I'm at Circle K right now. If you guys have one in your town, you know what I'm talking about. Uh, so it's a place, let's say if you got to rent a car, if you got some time, a little bit extra time and catching the flights, you could probably come over here and get something to eat or fill up with gas before you turn your rental car in, that kind of thing. So, hey, this is a very interesting article, and I thought I'll put it up. His name is Mr.goddamit. That's what he called himself on YouTube. Dude, I looked him up. Dude got about 200,000 subscribers. He's a street racer, okay, and he organized like street races. So this dude got arrested for organizing a street race here in Las Vegas. I think he's based out of Miami, okay, and yeah, the Metro Police was waiting for him too. All right, so a lot of these Metro Police or any type of police officers or FBI, especially if you have a large channel, they're going to be watching your channel. And that's what happened in this case here. And they arrested them for organizing the street race. All right, street racing is illegal. I love racing myself. You know, I love car shows, but, you know, you can't do it here. I just thought the one thing they should have done a long time ago, like particularly in Gene, okay? They got all that. They got a runway out there and everything for a future airport. They can have all kinds of stuff. They can have dirt bike racing, uh, drag racing. Okay, I'm talking about street drag racing, car shows, all kinds of stuff. If you got some investors that could put money into that, man, just imagine how big that would be. Okay, but yeah, this guy more than likely is going to be released, but they're going to put him on the watch list. So definitely, all right, when he comes out to Las Vegas. All right, they're gonna know what he's gonna do before he does it. All right, but yeah, Mr. Goddamit, I think he's got a lot of nice cars too, organized car shows. This came out Fox 5 News, by the way, too. Okay. Before I leave, I like to say this. I think that part of the F1 that headquarters are gonna do, and I did a video about that before on Koval and Harmon. You could look that up. I did that, I don't know, about a month ago about the F1 racing, that they level it out and they're going to put a little course there. Now, the course is, again, intended for F1 racing. So that's kind of like to be the start and the finish line. But I think they're going to use that for other venues. So hopefully, if you get an investment group or some promoters, they can figure out a way to kind of configure that track into doing maybe those type of races over there in that area, just on that particular track. Okay, I don't know, some spinouts and other type of stuff. I don't know, dirt bike racing. You know, if they could just put dirt on the track and do it in a way to where, you know, there could be some hills, and, you know, just in that particular area. I hope that they could do that, and that'll keep a lot of young folks out of trouble, and that'll be a way to make a little money and people to promote themselves too. But yeah, this guy, Mr. Goddamit, got his real name. You can look it up yourself. You know, so be careful about organizing these spinouts and these car races here, all right? Because cops are watching, all right? And you know, if you got some deals going on and somebody gets left out, all right, somebody gonna tell you. So this is a precautionary tale, y'all, okay? But let me know what you think about the video here, all right? Other than that, not much going on here. What did I talk about? The Raiders and that kind of thing. the Hall of Fame game, and all the other stuff first Friday tonight. All right, let me know what you think about the video here. Thank you for your time. Subscribe, like, share. Cash App, $, Winston Spivey if you want to donate.